Hello and welcome to this discussion about data recovery from crashed hard disks. It is quite common that hard disks get damaged and leads to crash and data loss. We may have some priceless data that has not been backed up. Sometimes our hard disk may not show any symptoms that it is about to crash, thereby preventing us from taking periodical backups. Now the biggest question is how to recover the data after a hard disk crash. Please understand, please understand that hard disk crash is not that much horrible and solutions are available to recover the data. Don't decide immediately that your computer's hard disk has been crashed. There may be other reasons also. So do a small inspection to decide whether it is hard disk crash or not. Shut down the system, disconnect the hard disk, check for any hotspots or other damages on external controlled board. If such things are available, then it's not the hard disk crash, it is something different. If these things are working fine, still problem exists, then do the following activities. First, replace the cables. Replace the power and the data cable that connect your hard disk with computer. If the problem is with these cables, this step will identify the problem and your hard disk will function normally. If you have a PATA or IDE, EIDE drive, change the drive pin settings, that is selecting pin for master, slave, cable select. Changing these settings and check the hard disk for correctness. Sometimes this may also solve the problem. Plug the hard disk into an external hard drive adapter and check for the hard disk. Or one of the best ways to check for hard disk crash is to connect the hard disk in different computer. If this step works, it is possible that motherboard is fault and your hard disk is okay. If these steps are not working, then it is a possible hard disk crash. The typical error messages that is being displayed on screen for a hard disk failure are, I have shown three messages, and these messages are architecture dependent, OS dependent, and it may vary. Now if there is a hard disk crash, how to recover the data from crashed hard disk, that we will see it in the next video. That is, I have uploaded part 2 video, in that we will see it. Bye bye.